Fala pessoal, estamos indo lá para o encontro de Itaúba. Estamos aqui no posto, fazendo uma resenhazinha. Já aproveitei e dei uma filmada, toda gurizada do grupo, casa. E
é por causa daquilo ali que eu chego gravando.
Vocês aqui um pouco, mas tá cheio de moto, chegando mais moto. Pronto para sair, uma brincadeira agradável. E se inscreva no curso, compartilhe, se inscrevam aí. É legal antes da saída para ir lá pra outra cidade lá tomar um café. Não, 100 e poucos km.
Vou descer. Estou com medo que ela vai inclinar. Eu vou lá abastecer.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. You can now save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
E seu pai?
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, now save me, 'cause I don't need saving.
Não, não foi, eu vou esperar seu pai.
All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Agora só pra ressalva, ó. Esse aí é meu sogro, mas é meu. O velhinho tem 60 anos. Velhinho nada, o cara tá novo ainda. Tem 60 anos. E anda junto com nós de moto. E anda bem, tá? Só pra ressalva, hein? Foi junto com nós, o meu sogro junto com nós até Itaúba.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone, I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone, it's never too late. pace on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Só uma ressalva para pedir para vocês. Vocês viram que nós dois estávamos andando juntos. O meu sogro mais na frente, porque a moto dele anda mais, e a minha mais atrás, mas ele sempre me acompanhando. O que eu quero esclarecer é que se vai andar de moto, tá vendo que as outras pessoas estão andando junto? Não se intrometa, cara. Respeita o espaço. Por exemplo, não ultrapassa, que nem teve essas motos pequenas ali. Não estou sendo crítico, mas tem que ter a prudência de cuidado. Para que ultrapassar e ficar na frente frenando a moto, segurando a outra pessoa que está atrás? Tipo assim, não sei se fizeram de propósito isso, os rapazes que estavam lá com as outras motos. Não parei para perguntar, não fiz intriga. Simplesmente eu e meu sogro aceleramos e passamos eles de novo. Só que isso é um comportamento chato, cara. Porque você tá querendo cuidar e andar de moto. E querendo ou não, tá com muita obra. O asfalto já não tá bom. Aí os caras ultrapassam, como vocês viram, e freia. Retém muito a questão da moto. Você não sabe quem tá atrás de você. Como meu sogro tava atrás aquela hora de mim, eu simplesmente fiz sinal para ele: vamos passar, não vamos ficar ali atrás. E outra, querendo ou não, a moto dele tem valor alto. E a minha também. A gente fica meio com receio, entendeu? Essas são umas atitudes que, se vai acompanhar, cara, chega perto, mas não fica ali segurando. Quem tem as motos grandes tem a preocupação, porque é um investimento grande ali que você vai ter com a sua moto. A minha pode não ser uma moto muito de valor. Resumindo, para encerrar o acontecido, cara, só respeita, segue as regras. Por exemplo, o cara da frente tem uma moto maior potente que a minha, as outras duas ali da frente. Você vê, eu não chego parando, ou ele tá frenando alguma coisa, eu deixo distância. Não faça imprudência, gente. Dirija com uma noção de segurança, entendeu? Não seja imprudentes, não seja, desculpa dizer no palavreado comum, barbeiro. Respeite, tenha a noção que se o outro frenar, ele tem que ter espaço. Não fique colado, entendeu? Mas vamos lá, aproveitem aí o vídeo e curtam, tá, pessoal?
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady, I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending, now I'm spreading and getting my name out now, yeah they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound, I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome, I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah, I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive, I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life. In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend, that's right, in the AM that's my only friend, no light, just the sun coming up on the horizon, I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb, a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by, I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.